Good morning, everybody. It's an honor for me to have the opportunity to talk about Renolution Virtual Twin in this keynote. I'm Olivier Colmar, Vice President of Digital Transformation, CA and PLM, in the Renault Group Engineering Division. Today, I will talk about digital twin in Renault Group. Let's first talk about Renault Group. Renault Group is a part of the alliance with Nissan and Mitsubishi. It's a great opportunity for us to make synergies with common platform, common powertrain, or battery. Together, the alliance is now the third largest global player. The Renault Group revenue were 46 billion euros in 2021. We sold more than 2.7 million of vehicles worldwide in 2021. We are present in 150 entities in 39 countries, 40 plants, and more than 150,000 employees. Renault Group is 4 brands and with 4 value proposals. First of all, Renault and Renault Current Motors, the historical company, the new wave, la nouvelle vague, bringing modernity to the European and current market. Dacia, affordable car, smart buy, one of the best growth in the automotive market. Alpine, a brand in the forefront of the innovation with exclusive sport car inspired by Formula One. And finally, Mobilize, a new brand dedicated to the mobility and energy services. We have more than 10 years of experience in electric vehicle value chain, with today 11 electrified vehicles, including 3 LCV and 8 passenger cars. The last product launch is Megane EV, based on the CMF EV platform, the Alliance platform. This CMF EV platform, together with Nissan, will represent 700,000 units by 2025. The Renault Group has launched its Renolution, the new group strategy based on from volume to value creation. For engineering teams, the challenge is efficiency in cost and lead time development reduction in order to put the time to market at the best world level. One objective is to switch from a car company using tech to a tech company designing cars. In this context, digital strategy is key. We want to be at the best level in the industry in terms of digital twin. This is why our program is called Renolution Virtual Twin. With Dassault Systems, it's a long journey. We have been partners now for more than 20 years. Pioneer in the 19th with the CAD adoption. In 2010, we launched a huge transformation called New PDM, the first world player in V6 technology. It's a first step to the 3D experience. And end of 2021, we decided a new breakthrough with a large adoption of the 3D experience platform on the cloud. Why this transformation? Automotive industry is facing some major challenges. Switch to EV and new energy, exponential growth of the complexity due to system and softwares, embedded or off-board, always higher level of regulation compliance constraints. This is why we decide to invest in the strong backbone to manage upstream data. the single source of truth for all métiers. And we build it around 3 pillars. First pillar is robust and agile product process design. The second pillar is transformation in system and software management, including configuration management and MBS6 approach. And the third pillar is collaboration and data sharing. Another objective is to suppress silos within switch from engineering PLM to a cross-company virtual twin with access to data coming from all the business lines. We want to provide definitively a single source of truth for all the métiers. We expect a lot of value creation from our digital strategy. Reduce cost with less expensive prototype, more simulation, less physical testing. This is the shift left approach. We want also to improve quality of design in order to be right first time when you go on the physical phases. We want to contribute to time to market with a drastic reduction of the project lead time, less than 1 year. How to leverage this value? Let's see some examples from our 3 pillars. If you start with the first pillar, robust and agile product process design, today designing a new car is 4-year journey for the initial idea to the product. Then come the first physical prototypes with the huge investment in the tooling after a digital phase. And this digital phase represents 50%. Each problem that you can solve during the digital phase, it's a huge saving of money and time compared to the late modification. We have many initiatives to reach this goal. One is 3D for all. Today, if you want to see a 3D representation of the virtual twin, you have to be a CAD or CATIA specialist with a dedicated workstation. If you are not, and if you need the car, you have to ask to this guy to show you the car. The idea is to give this access for all the project teams members. All Renault Group today, all Renault Group range is already available, and we train more than 4,000 people to use this tool. Let's see it in a short video. So, we are in the 3D Experience platform with brand new Megane E-Tech EV in Europe. In this platform, most of the 3D functions are available. For example, we can make a section user, and he can choose his environment in the normal PC, in a web technology. And when you select a different type, you can obtain, finally, in this case, the Alliance CMF EV platform. With selection of the particular part, I can have access to any information, whether this information is in or is it not in the platform. In this example, I chose some BOM information, bill of material, but it could be quality, purchasing, costing information. For example, if I want to see different information, and for example the weight, directly I can access to this information and official information. From the same interface, I have access also to issue. With a set of functionality, we can, for example, have the repartition by business line. We can also zoom on the body parameter in this case. And as you can see, we can show an illustration of the issue, and we can very easily work together. We can have also the Kanban view of the issue for all the collaborative tasks. So it's a very huge tools to increase the productivity and the collaboration between the teams. And finally, our Megan E-Tech realistic rendering mockup is done with 3D Exact based on the same CAD data. The second pillar, system and software transformation. In the car industry, without a strong system engineering and a robust configuration management, impossible to face new complexity. Impossible to ensure regulation compliance and traceability from requirement to validation and now to certification. To be sure that your system design is robust, you have to make system and inter-system validation thanks to simulation. This is objective of CATIA Scanner from AV simulation. Let's see a short video. Our products become more and more complex with connected, autonomous and electrified vehicles.
At Dassault Systèmes, we develop industry solutions for advanced driver assistance system and autonomous driving development. With Renault, we have a common goal to engineer autonomous systems that will be free of bugs when the real vehicle hit the road. We are partnering with AV Simulation to run massive simulation of autonomous driving scenarios on the cloud.
AV Simulation builds the most advanced driving simulators. We ensure that human factors and safety are the heart of tomorrow's mobility solutions. We also develop Scanner, which is the most complete driving simulation and validation software, thanks to its headlights, sensors, traffic, compute, and explore features. We allow mobility players to drive millions of realistic virtual miles to reach first time right. Scanner, seamless integration with a 3D experience platform, is a game changer towards digital transformation.
Renault and Alliance team are using Scanner to support vehicle-level simulation activities. The workflows based on Scanner enforce a digital thread using and reusing scenarios as well as running the different type of vehicle models. It is used in an agile process for verification and validation with digital and immersive platforms at any phase of the project. Scanner, together with CATIA and the 3D Experience platform, is the foundation of the compliance of the Renault vehicle digital twin. It creates traceability to run baseline simulation.
The digital chain, based on Scanner as orchestrator and 3D experience for virtual twin management, is key to design and validate complex systems by simulation. To shift the effort to early development phases with digital, to reduce prototypes by more than 50% in cost, and to reduce lead time. And finally, to improve quality of the design and validation for complex systems. So, in the last pillar, we manage collaboration and our strategy on data. Extended Virtual Twin, XVT. XVT is a tool based on NetVive technologies. Objective is to create a dashboard or cockpit called Data Perspective, mixing on one side data managed inside the 3D experience platform, including 3D digital twin, but also in other side, data coming from any legacy tools outside 3D experience, like purchasing, costing, quality, manufacturing, after sale, etc. I will show you a short video of one of our use cases. We have many others. We call it Digital War Room in Renault. A war room is a cross-company team looking for price reduction opportunities. So we start on the costing. We are in the costing team, and on the screen, data analytics are on the left, and as you can see also, PLM and digital mockup on the right. The objective of this tool is to track the gap between the real price and the target price given by the costing team. Here, I can focus on all the parts with the gap over 100%, for example. I can preview them inside the catalog. Here, I'm going to focus on this door hinge that I want to optimize. I can look at all the parts that belong the same categories. And finally, I decide to assign the collaborative task to his engineering colleague and to study a cheaper alternative technical solution. Just after, we are now at the engineering. I'm an engineer, I received the collaborative task. A tool in the platform called OnePart will allow to propose parts with the similar 3D geometry. For example, in this range, get his attention before focusing on one 405% cheaper. I can verify that from a geometric point of view, and I can compare the two parts. Finally, the two parts are similar, or quite similar. Now remains the validation steps. That is to say, to verify that its new support the weight of the doors. I transmit a collaborative task to my colleague of the digital validation, the CAE engineer. And finally, the CAE engineer realizes a machine, and calculation of the effort. And it's okay, the part is validated, and the economy can be launched directly to the plants. As you can see, it's very exciting to mix the legacy data from different business lines with our PLM data, with NetVibe on its data perspective, in order to create all value for each sector. We have a lot of examples to the usage of this technology, and it is very interesting for our company. So, after 1 year, where we are? Thanks to the cloud, we had set up the 3D experience platform extremely quickly. Last year, we developed our first gearbox for hybrid car in the 3D experience on the cloud, totally out of the box. And we prepare the development of the new car, and in January this year, we start a new electric vehicle project, one platform, 3 upper body, in the 3D experience on the cloud. Today, we have more than 2,800 active users, including 700 designers in CATIA in the 3D experience on the cloud. It's a huge transformation for the company, which needs a strong change management and a strong sponsorship. In Renault, Luca De Meo, our CEO, is the sponsor of this project. So to conclude, I propose to show you our vision with a simple video to explain our ambition.
This is not a car. What you're looking at is a digital twin. And what is that exactly? Let's find by going back in time. Here is a group of engineers and designers working on a new design. Back and forth, scale models, prototypes, testing, mishaps. It takes a lot of time and costs a lot of money too. All until digital twins hit the scene a few years ago, in which we are now investing to develop powerful tools and high-tech solutions. Ever since then, when designing a new model, we create its ever-evolving digital twin, a virtual model stored on the cloud that all authorized personnel can access. They can test, alter and interact with the model in the shared online space, the company's virtual replica. But the digital twin is much more. You have the virtual scale model, a 3D object with as much detail as the real thing. Thanks to high-powered algorithms, we can determine a car's handling, aerodynamics, and even test onboard safety equipment. No need to make a physical prototype for every stage, its digital twin is a perfect substitute. A vehicle is a minefield of calculations. You have to check that everything works as planned. That brings us to part 2 of our twin. Engine settings, ADAS, everything can be done with the twin. Seated behind a driving simulator, test drivers put cars through their digital paces on virtual roads. Safe, affordable and fast, an ideal addition to road tests. Part 3. Manufacturing. The digital twin is also a true-to-life virtual factory. Organizing production, sequencing operations, monitoring each part, everything is tested and confirmed via the digital twin for optimal production output. Last of all, vehicle monitoring throughout its life and even after its initial purchase. From design through to updates and retrofitting, everyone works together over the cloud. The real-world vehicle and its digital twin constantly learn from each other and feed into each other's design. And as with the dawn of every new era, we will look back on today in a few years' time and wonder, just how did we do it before we had digital twins?
Thank you very much for your attention.